You're watching Sarcoma TV. Knowledge is power.
As we know, cancer is caused by genetic mutations. There are hundreds of cancer treatments designed to target many of the different cancer-related genes. I notice here it's designed to target many of the over 600 known cancer-related mutations. I think that should be genes. So you may want to fix that. It's actually, there's a lot more than 600 known mutations. Just to give you some idea of how many mutations are out there, if you have a gene that's 150 base pairs and you want to know how many different mutations can occur just in that. So most genes are tens of thousands of base pairs of DNA. Some are hundreds of thousands of base pairs. Even if you just take 150 base pairs of DNA, and you want to know how many possible mutations are there, the way you'd calculate that is you would take the number of DNA pieces with base pairs and the amount of possible mutations that could occur there. So that would be 4. You can have 4 different nucleotides that occur in each spot. It's either an A, T, or a G, or C. And so what you do is you take that 4 and you put it by the power of 150. And that would tell you how many different mutations you can have just in 150 base pairs, not even in an entire gene. And that's going to give you a number that is significantly larger than all of the atoms in the known universe. So there are, roughly 600 or so cancer-related genes, but the amount of mutations that can occur in those genes is a number that we just can't calculate. It's just too high. Even in 150 base pairs of one gene, the number is just too high to be able to really, for most calculators anyways. So without this genetic data, if your oncologist wants to get you in an innovative treatment, they can't because they don't know which one it's going to be. So often oncologists will just try a bunch of different drugs and hope that they work. That's not the best way to get treated, and that's not the way to treat cancers, especially sarcomas. So what's really important is to get this genetic testing and the RNA sequencing, and then you can have a much better chance of determining what's going to work better for you because of targeted therapies and whether immune therapy is going to work better for you. Expression testing is key for sarcomas, and then do monitoring with liquid biopsies.
Thank you for watching Sarcoma TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.